Alright friends, today we are going to learn how we can add the Font Awesome social media icon. And all we know that Font Awesome is the website that provides free icons, and there are total three methods that we can done it in our web page. So first method that we are going to see is the kit method. So it is the kit, and after committing it down, because we are going to create the HTML page just below here. After the title, I am going to link my CSS file, that is style.css. After saving it, let's go to Chrome. Here in this, you have to search for Font Awesome, and this is the spelling that I will dictate here. On enlarging on it, as you can see the spelling Font Awesome, and after you have searched, then you can click this website, that is first www.fontawesome.com. So you will land up to this web page. So here you, as you can see, there have been icons, document, supports. Now here from this, here you can download the web page. Download this. Here we are going to sign in. Now you have to come to create an account. So I have zoomed it out. As you can see, on clicking on it, you will land up to this page, and scrolling it down, you have to provide your Gmail ID to here, that I have provided, that 11adio@gmail.com. So after this, you have to click to this send kit code. So as you have clicked into this, then you will land up to this page, that it will showing the message that check your Gmail. So I have written the Gmail. As you have written the Gmail in your web browser, then this will be the first web page that you will land up, that is gmail.com. Here this is the preview. Now it will take some time. After some time, then this is the message that Font Awesome has sent in to my account. So got it. Then click on this. As you can see, this is given by the Font Awesome. So we have to click to confirm the code. So just click it. As you can see, it will land up to this page. Here it is asking the new password that you want to have for your Gmail. So it do not be the password that you have for your Gmail. Have a password that is random. Random means that that you use at the second time. So after writing the same code, then press enter. After some time, then you will enter to this page. Now you have to enter your first name. What is your first name? What is your last name? Then after it, if you know the web page, then if you know this website, then please type the from which year do you learn. So here I have written it Facebook, or I have written all the formality. So this is my kit. As you can see on your web page, this I have been lined up to I have copied this code, and I will paste it in the head section after styling the CSS. So as you can see, after I am saving this, now we are going to create the another list of list item having the anchor tag refer to nothing, and copy it down for 4 times. So here in this, I am going here in the upper section, in this icon, you have to search whatever the font that you want. So I have searching for facebook.com. So here this is the copy this class and paste it here. After saving it, now you have to search it again, YouTube. So here is the YouTube icon. You can copy this class and paste it here. As similarly, the social media icon that you want to put on your home page, then you can search it and paste it here. So I am pasting it. It is taking too much time, so pasting here and cut this last one. So after saving, you can open with the live server. So here is the preview that I have created, that there have been a Facebook, YouTube and Instagram logo. So this is because I have used the kit. Now we are going to see the second method. First was the using the kit, but in this I am using the method is CDN. That second method is CDN. If you search for Font Awesome CDN, so if you have searching for font awesome CDN, then you will land up to this page. That is the first one, and drop it down. Now this have the plugins of HTML HAL. So copy this CSS link, copy this and paste it in the head section, and this work also been done by this. Now there have been another method for this. If you search for font awesome, now there will be the first website that you will visit. It is fontawesome.com. So here, from here you can click to downloads, and here the preview is that there have been a download for web and download for desktop. So you can go for pro for desktop if you want purchase, or if you want to for free, then click on the free for desktop. So it is still being downloaded of 2.2 MB. So it will take some time. After it downloading, then you have to copy this to the main folder where you are actually working on. So I have pasted here. So let's open it and zoom it so that you will be able to see. Now extracting this file here only. Okay, click OK. As you can see, there have been a folder of fontawesome.com. So click on this. In this media data, you have to remember, you have to paste these two icons file and link to your CSS, so that all the font awesome icon will become. So if you want some handwriting, then you can paste the OPS, and if you have used the SVGs of font awesome, then you can put the last folder to link to your CSS file. So for this, as you can see, and at the last, this was the third method that we can download the font awesome offline. So thanks for watching at the end. Thank you.